Hey guys, not the evening, but I let my dog go use the bathroom outside, and I saw the clouds. They were literally right over me. In case if there's gonna be a storm, the sun's out. The morning dew is still here, but the clouds coming over us. We got some stratus clouds following it. We're like a bunch of little dots. Oh, we got a big cloud. There they are. It's crazy. Let's go over here in the front, y'all. I want my dog to go pee real quick. And I saw the clouds. I had to show because they're right over me. Oh my God, look at that. Let's zoom up. Focus, focus. That's a beauty. It's a good looking. And that coming all the way through here. Back there, and then the little dot clouds. Let's see if there's like anything else hiding behind there. It's in the other big clouds. I think they were about to come over me. Like here's this would be like a tiny little storm, or maybe a slight, like a medium storm. I don't think there'll be a tornado because I think their length shorted up a little bit, and they got to stay the same size. And they're quickly moving away from our house. They're not moving slow. So it usually takes them a week to get tornado wise, I'm gonna call it. Let's go take a little peek at the sun. The sun's hiding behind there. Let's see if I can get the sun on the camera and see how that goes. I'm going to turn my head away from the sun though. I never actually tried to get the iPad to see the sun. We're going to try that. Even though it has no part of big boy clouds. Oh yeah, it's hiding behind the clouds. That's it. So I'll update you in a little bit. Anyways, peace out, and there's a storm coming.